Hi, I'm Benjamin from Airtame, and in this video I'm going to be showing you our share to call feature. Now this is a very unique feature which allows multiple different devices to connect to your Airtame screen during a video conferencing call. This is extremely useful if you have one person or one device which is the general host of the call, at least from the meeting aspect, the meeting room aspect, and then you have one or even multiple other devices who wants to screen share something. This could be a series of class presentations, or it could even be a demo meeting where you have different developers who wants to show their screen into the call. Now with Airtame, you can do this without having to actually join the call or open up a meeting client on the laptop. So let me show you how it works. The first thing we're going to do is just connect our laptop on the left to the Airtame screen to actually start our video conferencing call. And then I'll use the laptop on the right to screen share something into the call. So going to the laptop on the left here, I'm going to enter the 5-character pairing code to connect to the device and click on join call. This will load up the meetings I have in my calendar, as well as start up the camera connected to my Airtame screen. I'll click on join call, and the call will start loading on the Airtame system, and I see my normal controls, my remote control inside of my laptop. Now let's direct our attention to the second laptop. Now in this case we want to screen share something from this laptop. In this case we want to screen share this airtame.com website. In order to do that, I have to open my browser or just a new tab and go to airtame.com/go. Now in here, I can enter my pairing code, and I'm going to get the pairing code from looking at the bottom of the Airtame screen, where I see my 5-character pairing code in black. So I'm going to enter the code and then select the share to call option. And then from here, I'm going to see the same UI as if I was just doing a normal local screen sharing session. So I'll select share and then select which specific content I want to share. As you can see, I can select a specific Chrome tab or a window or the entire screen. I'm going to select my specific Chrome tab from a website, disable audio as I don't need it in this case, and then click on the share button. And just like that, I'm screen sharing content from my second laptop into the call. When I'm done screen sharing my content, I can click on the View Tab button to actually jump to the tab that's screen sharing, and I can click on Stop Sharing. Once the other person is done or the entire call is done, the call hosts are of course also able to leave the entire call by clicking on Leave Call. And just like that, I've had a video conferencing call where a second device were actually in charge of screen sharing content into my call, and the call hosts were the general host being able to disable the camera and microphone as needed, and also end the call when needed. So that is the Airtame share to call feature. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.